6. I'm trying to be the last monkey tagged in every gorilla tag map. Let's go.
I'd be surprised if there's anybody here. That was almost a certain though. Orange, get tagged! Please! Orange, if you get tagged, I'll give you 1,000,000 Robux. Dude. Yeah! Don't tag me.
You wanna see the best hiding spot? Mountains.
This is clouds, actually.
Sorry, clouds. I've got dementia, yo.
I was born at 60. Alright, we're chilling together.
It's not. There's so many easy exits.
Yo, Lava Monkey, tag somebody. Tag somebody or you will get Ligma.
Who's Ligma? Guys, watch this. Watch this.
This guy, this. Hey, party hat, you suck! Yo, tag somebody. Actually, not me, not me, not me, not me. We're safe. Oh, who's the last guy, guys? Let me check the leaderboard. Let's go!
This isn't over yet, so make sure to like and subscribe for more gorilla tag content. But anyways.